Hi, I'm Brian Duncan from MarineMax New York, out here on this 10-degree day. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the 230 Outrage. It's powered with a 350 Verado, the biggest power option they offer on this boat. The white painted white engine. It's makes a real nice package. You have your ski tow eye on the back. It is removable, so if you want to fish the boat, you can pull the pins and store it away, sew it away. You have your live well here in the back corner on the transom. You do have a fold-away rear seat, but first I want to show you this newly designed seat. It's a rear-facing seat. Basically, it folds up. This is good for skiing and whatnot. And when it folds up, it becomes part of the other seat. It goes up in two positions. Then you have a little fold-out table here. Good place to either entertain or do some rigging or fishing. And then you have your fold-out seat in the back here, which well, it does a great job with. The hardware is second to none. Going forward, you have your flip-up bolsters. And this boat is equipped with the Marine 9-inch screen with the transducer, so it's all set up, ready to go. VHF radio, Fusion radio, stereo. Little glove box here. Outlet for your cell phones, chargers. Plenty of cup holders, digital throttle and shift. Going forward, like I said, it is winter here, so the cushions are stowed away right now. We're getting ready to wrap the boat for the winter, but you have cushions all through here, storage all around the bow. It's not a live well, but it's insulated. You can put ice and beer, soda in here. You do have a table that sets up in the bow, and everything's stowed in the head. One thing I can show you, well, the cushions are in the head right now, so they do fit in the head. So if you wanted to, they're out of the weather, so if you want to come back, take all the cushions, unsnap them, put them in the head, they fit. The boat does have a vacuum flush head system in it, and that's about it. We got a fiberglass hardtop, plenty of lighting, we got forward lighting, backlight in the back, and LED lights for the cockpit also. So trim tabs come with the boat. Tow rail for when you're doing some fishing, plenty of rod holders, you got cleats, midship cleats, forward cleats, stainless steel ankle locker forward. That's about it. That sums it up for our 230 Outrage.